everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a sun wall hanging like this. To make a sun wall hanging, the materials required are corrugated card, acrylic paints, scissors, paper cutter, marker pen, mixing plate, paint brushes, compass and Fevicol. Now to start off with, we'll take a corrugated card and cut out two big circles of the same radius. When you're finished with cutting, we get two circles of this kind. We're going to use one for the base and the other for the rays of the sun. Now we'll keep the base aside and we'll start drawing the rays on the cardboard. When we are finished with drawing the rays, we'll get a figure like this one. And I have a smaller circle inside where the face of the sun is going to come. Now make sure that you have a bit of space between the rays and the circle, because if you cut out the rays directly, you'll get different triangles. So now we'll start cutting the rays of the sun. When you're finished with cutting, you'll get a figure like this. I've also cut out the inner part where the face of the sun is going to come. Now we'll arrange all the pieces in its place on the base. For the face of the sun, we're going to have three different kinds of the same circles of radius which are smaller than the ring, and we're going to arrange it in place. So this is the basic model of how your sun is going to look, and then you need to stick it on with Fevicol and fix it in place. Now if you want your sun to be even more thick and even more rigid, you can use the tissue paper and stick pieces of tissue paper on your model. So from that, basically your model will look even more stiff and thick. Now we'll keep eyes and the nose on the sun. And now let us start painting it. For painting, I'll use red and yellow, that's orange color for the sun, and I'll use blue color for the outlining. Now I'll use blue for the outlining. When you're fully finished with your painting, your sun will look something like this one. You can use any colors of your choice for painting your sun. Now there are some more models which I have made. For example, this one. I've used crushed tissue paper on this one and I've hanged it with a thread, so you can hang it anywhere on the walls. So for this one, what I've done is I've used crushed paper for the cheeks of the sun and crushed tissue paper everywhere so that it looks with a little bit of wrinkles. And so that's all from me. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.